In this video, I'm going to compare four popular 3D model viewers, which are often used in the construction industry. So Autodesk Viewer, OpenIFC Viewer, Solibri Anywhere, and Navisworks Freedom. Navisworks Freedom is a desktop software made by Autodesk. So Autodesk is a global giant in selling software for the construction industry. Basically, it's dominating worldwide with such tools as AutoCAD, Revit, InfraWorks, and so on. So Navisworks is available in three versions. So the one I'm going to review today is Navisworks Freedom, which is free. Then you have the middle version, Navisworks Simulate, and Navisworks Manage. So those both are paid versions. So the middle version, Navisworks Simulate, allows you to have functions such as quantity takeoff, construction simulation. Navisworks Manage, which is the fullest version, contains all the other functionality plus the clash detection tool. Since Autodesk tools are so popular worldwide, Navisworks is still used quite often for clash detection and communication of issues between different stakeholders. And so, even though this tool hasn't had any major updates for more than a decade, it's still quite often that it's mandated to be used on projects in different countries. Navisworks Freedom, which is the version I'm showing you right now, supports only three file formats. So it's the NWD Navisworks format, DWF, and Autodesk Recap, or basically the point cloud format. This recap format makes this tool stand out because it's one of the rare free tools that allows you to view models together with point clouds. The free version has no functionality to federate other discipline models. So if you want to have a model that contains different disciplines, somebody else with the full version needs to make it. Other than that, this tool has the basic model review functionality, like for example, walking through the building, also creating sections from different planes, doing measuring in 3D environment, and also you can view properties of objects, well, if they have any. Sadly, Navisworks Freedom doesn't allow you to make screenshots inside the software, so basically you need to use either some plugins or just making screenshots and copying them somewhere else. The next to compare, Solibri Anywhere. So Solibri Anywhere is a free desktop viewer that supports working with IFC and SMC format files. So IFC is an open format, which means that most authoring tools such as Revit, ArchiCAD, and others can export to this format. So basically I call it like a PDF where you can open any IFC model with this tool and other free tools. Similarly to Navisworks, Solibri has several versions of the software. And the one I'm comparing is the free version called Anywhere, but you have also other versions very similar to Navisworks. The middle version, which allows to do quantity takeoff, and the full version called Solibri Office that allows you to also do coordination checks, like including clash detection, but not only. So the full version of Solibri, called Solibri Office, is considered one of the best tools for quality control of building information models in the industry. And it's very popular because it has this rule set functionality, which allows you to create some clever algorithms to check different both geometric issues, but also find information like lacking information or missing information in the objects. As I mentioned, basically Solibri supports only opening IFC format models, but you can also open PDF files and attach them to the models. But as I said, mainly you work with IFC format files. The Solibri Anywhere, the free version of this tool, sadly does not allow you to federate models. It had this functionality some time ago, but it was removed, and basically if you want to have multiple models inside, you need to ask somebody with a full version to create the SMC format. Otherwise, you can use the IFC format and view the models one by one. But since many BIM coordinators use this product to create the reports and the federated models, it is quite likely that you might receive the federated model in an SMC format file. Other than that, it's a very good tool to do design review of the models. So it has like basic functionality like walkthroughs. Here it's called the game mode, where you can run through the building, hide and section objects using different section planes. You can create dimensions in 3D environment and measure anything. But one functionality which is really convenient is called the communication. This is where you can create presentations and then add issues to these presentations. Then you can either export these issues into different file formats, PCF, PDF, Excel, or you can simply share the SMC file, which you can save, and then somebody else can open it in their computer to view the different issues you have created.